Morning, students of class 5. Students, I'm sure all of you are fit and fine and in a cheerful mood, ready for your English class. Students, today I'm going to continue with Unit 12 of your English grammar books, Adjectives. So all of you, please take out your English grammar books and turn to page number 51, Unit 12, Adjectives. Students, please take out your English grammar books and turn to page number 51, Unit 12, Adjectives. Students, in my last video, I had explained what adjectives are. Adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun. All the describing words are known as adjectives. Now students, adjectives are a part of speech. Now you must know that there are total 8 parts of speech which we have already learned. I'll revise the 8 parts of speech. The 8 parts of this speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech, and all the words in English language are divided into these 8 parts of speech. An adjective is one of the 8 parts of the speech. Each word has got a different function in English language, and all the words in English language are divided into 8 parts of speech. Some are nouns, some are pronouns, some are prepositions, some are adjectives, some are adverbs, verbs, conjunctions, and interjection. These are all 8 parts of speech, and in this unit we will be learning about adjectives. What are adjectives, children? Adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun. Fine? Now, yesterday I had explained what adjectives are. Now, today, little bit about adjectives, and then I'll be explaining about the kinds of adjectives. Fine, students? Now, as you all know that adjectives are describing words. They tell us what kind of, how many, how much, what color, etc. a person, place or thing is. Fine? So, they tell us, they give answer to what kind of a noun or a pronoun is, then how much. For uncountable things, how many. For countable things, then what color, etc. These all things, adjectives, tell about a noun. Fine, students? Now students, let's look at an example. Just look at an example. There is sufficient water in the tank. Now my sentence is, there is sufficient water in the tank, and the adjective over here is sufficient. It is describing the noun water. Okay? There is sufficient water in the tank. Now, adjectives emphasize the noun. Now, if I write the same sentence without the adjective, look at the sentence. There is water in the trunk. So, you can see that the sentence is still correct without the adjective. Now, why do we use adjective? We use adjective to emphasize the noun. They describe the noun. They lay emphasis on the noun. हम क्यों adjectives use करते हैं बेटा? क्योंकि वो noun को अच्छी तरह से describe करते हैं. Like without adjective, I have written the same sentence. There is water in the tank. This is also a correct sentence. But यहाँ पे water को emphasize कोई word नहीं कर रहा है. So we use adjective to lay emphasis on the noun. Got it? So adjectives are describing words. They describe the noun. Now they give more information about the noun. Adjectives, they give more information about the noun. Now, one more sentence. The nurse took care of The nurse took care of my mother. Now I have written the sentence without any adjective. The nurse took care of my mother. This is a sentence without adjective. Now, but if I want to lay more emphasis, what I'll do? I'll use adjective. I'll write the same sentence again using an adjective. The nurse took great care of my mother. Now I have used the word great, which is an adjective and which is giving me more information that the nurse took great care of my mother. Got it? So why do we use adjectives? Because adjectives gives more information about the noun. Got it? So, the nurse took care of my mother. This is the sentence without adjective. But I am writing the sentence again with an adjective. Now, you can understand what are adjectives. They describe the noun better. They give us more information about the noun. So, the nurse took great care of my mother. So, students, you need to know that adjectives, they give us more information about the noun. Noun, pronoun or a subject. They tell us more about an object, a noun, a place or a thing. So they describe the noun. Now students, we'll be learning about kinds of adjective. All of you, please turn to page number 52. Now, adjectives are of many kinds. Kinds of adjectives. Now, the first is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Then adjective of quantity. Then adjective of number. Then demonstrative adjective. then interrogative adjective. And the sixth one is possessive adjective. Now in this unit we are going to learn about the 6 kinds of adjective. The first one, children, is adjective of quality. They tell us about the quality of a noun. What kind of a noun is noun or a pronoun? They tell us about the quality of the noun. The second one, children, is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity tell us about how much of a thing or a noun or a pronoun. Fine. Then third is adjective of number, and they give the answer of how many. We use adjective of number with countable things and we use adjective of quantity with uncountable things. Then students, the fourth one is demonstrative adjective. They point out to the exact place or a thing. They point out to an exact person, place or thing. बेटा ये कोई भी person, place और thing को point out करते हैं. And demonstrative adjectives are only 4. You all must have heard, but then you don't know that these words are demonstrative adjective. This, that, these, those. These are the 4 demonstrative adjective, and they point out to a exact person, place or thing. Then the fifth one, children, is interrogative adjectives. All the words like what, which, whose, the question words, those are all interrogative adjectives which frame question. Then the sixth one is possessive adjective. The word possessive means telling the possession. They tell us that a particular thing belongs to whom. So now these are the 6 kinds of adjectives, and I'll be explaining one by one. First, you need to know the 6 kinds of adjectives which we'll be learning in this unit, and they are: the first one is adjective of quality, second adjective of quantity. Don't get confused between the spelling. The first one is quality and the second is quantity. Adjective of quality gives us the answer of what kind, whereas the adjective of quantity gives us the answer of how much. Then the third one is adjective of number. It gives the answer of how many. The fourth one is demonstrative adjective, and these adjectives, they tell us about the exact person, place or thing. Then the fifth one is interrogative adjectives, and words like what, which, whose, these are all of interrogative adjective, the words which frames question. And the sixth one is possessive adjective. They tell us that a particular thing belongs to whom. They tell us about the possession. Possession मतलब बेटा कि कोई चीज किसको belong करती है, ये कौन बताता है? Possessive adjective. So these are the 6 kinds of adjective, children, and now I'll be explaining adjective of quality. Fine. Now children, what are adjective of quality? Students, adjective of quality tells us about the quality of a person, place or thing. It may describe age, age of a person, old, young, then quality, soft, hard, these are all qualities. Size, large, big, small, these are all size. Then color, all the colors come under adjective of quality. Shape, triangle, circle, these are all adjective of quality. Feelings, etc. Now, and it gives us the answer what kind of. Now, adjective of quality, children, tells us about the quality of a person. कोई भी पर्सन की बेटा एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी क्वालिटी बताता है पर्सन की, प्लेस की और थिंग की. फाइन, आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स विद एग्जांपल्स. फाइन, and it may describe age. When we say old, young, we are describing the age, isn't it? So adjective of quality describes the age. Then quality, quality of a particular person, thing, beautiful, kind, these are honest, these are all qualities. Size, big, small, large, huge, tiny, these are all adjective of quality, children. Then the color, all the colors, black, white, blue, purple, green, all colors are adjective of quality. Then the shape, circle, triangle, these are all adjective of quality. It describes a particular thing. Then the feelings, these are all adjective of quality. They tells us about the quality of a person, place or thing. And the easiest way to find this is, whenever we need to find that which kind of adjective, you need to frame the question with what kind of. आपको जो भी what kind of का आंसर मिलेगा वो आपको किससे मिलेगा? Adjective of quality से. Got it? Now I write some examples so that adjective of quality is clear to you, and you need to keep in mind that adjective of quality describes the quality of a person, place or thing. It tells us about the age, the quality, size, color, shape, feelings, etc. Now I write some examples of adjective of quality, but the things need to be kept in mind. Beta, all those words which tells about the quality, size, color, shape, feeling, age of a person, place or thing, these are all adjective of quality. Adjective of quality, children, describes a noun, pronoun or a subject. Got it? Now, and the best way to know the kind of adjective is, and if we want to identify that this is adjective of quality, we need to frame the question what kind. And जिसका आंसर हमको what kind का मिलेगा, जिससे भी वो क्या होगा बेटा? Adjective of quality. That will be adjective of quality. This you need to keep in mind कि जिसका भी आंसर हमको मिलेगा what kind, किससे मिलेगा? Adjective of quality से मिलेगा. Now the examples of adjective of quality. He is a clever boy, and the adjective over here is clever. Now what kind of a boy is he? He is a clever boy. What kind of a boy is he? It is telling us about the quality of the boy. And this adjective followed by a boy. तो बेटा किसकी क्वालिटी बता रहा है? Boy की. He is a clever boy. What kind of boy? Clever. We get the answer clever. what kind, आंसर हमको किस वर्ड से मिल रहा है? clever से. तो clever क्या है बेटा? adjective of quality. Then the next example is she is a nice person. The adjective is nice. Now frame the question. What kind of a person is she? Nice. So nice is what? Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tells us about the kind of person. Now, then, third, Japan is a developed country. Japan is a developed country. Now the adjective is developed. Now what kind of a country is Japan? Developed. So we are getting the answer by what kind. And जिससे भी हमको मिलेगा what kind of answer बेटा वो कौन सा adjective होगा? Adjective of quality. Then New Delhi is a large city. Adjective is large. It is telling us about the size of the city. Size of the city. Which city? New Delhi. So, again, what kind of city? Large city. Adjective of quality. So, adjective of quality tells us about the quality, size, shape, color, etc. of a person, place or thing. So you need to keep in mind, and if you want to identify the adjective of quality, we'll frame the question with what kind. So what kind of a city is New Delhi? Answer is large. So large is what? Adjective of quality. Then the next example is Seema's hair is curly. Now, adjective is curly. What kind of hair is Seema's got? Curly. Telling us about the shape of Seema's hair, isn't it? So, curly is what? Adjective of quality. Then, my boss is an honest person. Now, honest is the adjective. What kind of a person is my boss? Honest. What kind of a person is my boss? Honest. Honest is what, children? Adjective of quality. Honest is what? Adjective of quality. We get the answer what kind of, and जो आपको what kind of का आंसर मिले, जो kind बताए adjective की बेटा वो कौन सा adjective होगा? Adjective of quality. You need to keep this in mind. So he is a clever boy. What kind of a boy is he? Clever. Clever क्या है बेटा? Adjective of quality. She is a nice person. What kind of a person is she? Nice. Nice is what? Adjective of quality. Then the third, Japan is a developed country. What kind of a country is Japan? Developed. So developed is what? Adjective of quality. Then the fourth one is New Delhi is a large city. What kind of a city is New Delhi? It is telling us about the size of the city. So large. Large is what? Again, adjective of quality. Then the fifth one, Seema's hair is curly. What kind of hair has Seema got? Curly hair. It is telling us about the shape of Seema's hair. So what kind of hair? Curly. Curly is what? Adjective of quality. Then sixth, my boss is an honest person. What kind of a person is my boss? Honest. Honest is what, children? Adjective of quality. Now some more examples for adjective of quality so that the concept is clear to you. Even though the room was messy, the children were happy to play in the house. Okay. Now the adjective over here are messy and happy. So, even though the room was messy, the children were happy to play in the house. So, what kind of room? Messy. Messy means shabby, in a disorder condition, not in a good state. Things scattered around. That means messy. So, what kind of room? Messy. Messy is what? Adjective of quality. Children were happy. What kind of children? Happy children. So, what is it? Adjective of quality. Now, the next example is the old man was driving a red car. Now, this is the next sentence. What kind of man? The old man. What kind of car? Which color car? Red color car. So, old tells us about the size of the man and color is red. That tells us about the car. And red and old both are telling about the kind. So, it is what? Adjective of quality. So, the old man was driving a red car. Old क्या बता रहा है बेटा? Age of the man, that the man was old. So, what kind of adjective? Adjective of quality. What kind of man? Old. Old is what? Adjective of quality. Was driving a red car. What kind of car? Red. It is telling us about the color of the car. So, what it is? Adjective of quality. बेटा जिन वर्ड से आपको एज, साइज, शेप, कलर मिले, फीलिंग्स मिले, वो सब कौन से हैं? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. So these all words describe the noun. Now another example. The Indian Army saved many poor people. Now the adjectives are Indian and poor. Now the Indian Army. Which kind of army, children? The Indian Army. So Indian Army क्या है? Adjective of quality बता रहा है. Which army? Indian Army saved many poor people. What kind of people? Poor people. So what? Indian and poor दोनों क्या है बेटा? Adjective of quality है. कौन सी army है? Indian Army. Got it? So these are all adjective of quality. Now one more example. The lovely roses are carefully tended by a sweet young lady. Now, the adjectives over here are lovely, describing the roses, sweet and young, describing the lady. So, the lovely roses. What kind of roses? Lovely roses. So, lovely is what? Adjective of quality. ये किसको describe कर रहे हैं? Roses. Roses क्या है बेटा? Noun है. So, आप ये देखो कि ये जो adjectives है, ये किसको describe करते हैं? Noun और pronoun. So, the lovely roses. Roses क्या पे? Noun है. Noun और ये adjective किसको describe कर रहे हैं? Roses को. The lovely roses are carefully tended. Tended means looked after. Tended means to look after. So, are carefully tended by a sweet young lady. What kind of a lady? Sweet young. Sweet is the physical appearance or nature of the lady and young is the age. तो ये सारे चीज किसको describe कर रहे हैं? किस noun को बेटा? Lady को. So, sweet and young are describing the lady. So, what kind of lady? Sweet young lady. Adjective of quality. What kind of roses? Lovely roses. Roses क्या है? Noun है. Adjective of quality. Even though the room was messy. ये messy adjective किसको describe कर रहा है बेटा? Room को. तो room क्या है? Noun है. यहाँ पे उसको कौन सा word describe कर रहा है? Messy. Messy क्या है? Adjective of quality. Children were happy. Which kind of children? What kind of children? Happy children. तो ये happy adjective किसको describe कर रहा है बेटा? Noun को. Children. Children यहाँ पे noun है. Now the 8th one. The old man was driving the red car. Old adjective describing the noun men. Old किसको describe कर रहा है बेटा? Men को. Men क्या है यहाँ पे? Noun है. Was driving a red car. Red is the adjective describing the noun car. तो red क्या है बेटा? Adjective of quality. Old क्या है? Adjective of quality. The Indian army. Army is the noun and Indian is the adjective. So, the Indian army saved many poor people. Poor is the adjective and people over here are noun. तो poor किस noun को describe कर रहा है बेटा? People. And the last sentence is, the lovely roses are carefully tended by a sweet young lady. Lovely roses. Lovely adjective है, roses noun है. And sweet and young sweet and young जो adjectives हैं, two adjectives किसको describe कर रहे हैं? Lady को. So these are all adjective of quality. That tells us about what kind of a noun or pronoun is. Got it? Adjective से of quality हमें कैसे identify करना है? हमें question क्या लगाना है? What kind of, और जो भी answer हमको मिलेगा बेटा वो क्या होगा? Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tells us, gives us information about the quality, shape, size, color and feelings of a noun or a pronoun. It tells us, it describes a person, place or thing. So I hope children, adjective of quality is clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you students. Have a good day ahead.